Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 18th, 2022, and here are Ms. Falone's expectations and procedures for weather day number 3. You received a message from Mrs. Morgan yesterday announcing that today would be a weather day. If you are not receiving any messages, please let me or the front office know, and we will check your phone number and get you on that list. Students are working in their silver folder to find the activities that are labeled day 3. Last week when we were in person, we sent home a packet for days 4, 5, and 6 to be prepared. So just put that to the side and you're looking for activities that say day 3. There's 2 sheets for reading and there's 2 sheets for math and 1 sheet in the middle for writing. With the writing sheet, they're going to need some information from day 2 and day 1 that I'll show you in just a minute. Reading activity number 1 is a word search. It is a spelling review of consonant patterns with silent letters. This is actually the spelling list that we did last week when we were in person. So these words should look pretty familiar to them. These are the words that they didn't get to take a spelling test on. The word bank is on top. There's 15 words. All the words are scrambled in the word search in the middle. They're looking across, down, and diagonally. As they find the words, they can write them on the bottom. Your student can use whatever they need to find the words. They can use pencil, highlighter, crayon to help them see the difference with the letters if they need, just as long as they write the words on the bottom. Page 2 is a review of irregular verbs. Verbs are what we've been talking about and review in these weather days, action words and forms of being. Make connections. These are irregular, so the words that they're going to be using may look a little bit different than what they're expecting. For numbers 1 through 5, there's a word in parentheses. They have to find the word that makes sense to them in the sentence and copy that on the line. For numbers 6 through 10, they're looking for the past tense of the verb in the parentheses. So it's going to be a different form than what they may be expecting, but they're looking for the word that makes sense. So for number 6, it says, he go to the desert. The past tense of go is went. So on the line, they're going to copy, he went to the desert. They're looking for the past tense of the verb in parentheses, the 2 half circles. For writing, they have a blank sheet that looks like this. It has an illustration box on the top and lines on the bottom. For copying the 2.6 paragraph that they drafted on day 2 in their packet, if you do not have the sheet or if it was not completed, they can write a 2.6 paragraph about their weather day. But if their folder was returned to me, their day 2 information should still be in there for them to copy and use. Math day 1 Page 1, is a review of making sense of number stories. With your kiddos at school, we've been doing a lot of review and focus on 2 test-taking strategies. We have been writing about math so they can explain clearly what they want to say, and we have been following directions to make sure that the answers that they're giving are matching the prompt that they're given. So they have a word problem on top that they know how to answer, and they're going to follow the blanks in the middle just to break it down. If you or they start to get stressed, just use the white space on the bottom to answer that word problem. Page 2 is review of skills and math boxes. There are 6 of them today. Number 1 and number 6 are both word problems where they'll have to do some subtraction. Number 2, they're looking for something that's the same weight as a textbook, 1 kilogram. Number 3 is division in a word problem, coloring in the bubble with the correct answer. Number 4 are fact triangles. They're going to find the missing number on top and write the 4 equations that go with it. And number 5 is asking about time. When your student is done with work for today, if they need extra time or if you need some extra time, unplugged activities are in the choice board that is attached to day 3 and in your folders. There's also a copy on the Google Classroom where they can access other technology activities if they have access. If your student has access to technology, Ms. Signorino and Ms. Falone will be live in the Google Classroom at 9 o'clock and at 10 o'clock for Google Meets today to work on some activities and to answer any questions. We hope to see you there if they are able to access technology. If not, please make sure that they have watched this video so they know what the expectations are for today. If you have any questions or if they have any needs throughout the day, you can reach Ms. Signorino and Ms. Falone by email and by our Google Voice phone numbers. If you have any emergencies between 7 and 2:30, you can call Woodland and we will take care of you. Again, today's weather day 3, and we hope you are staying safe and warm, and we will see you very soon. Have a great day.